When you're dealing with Seattle deposition reporters as a part of the national network of reporting companies, all these companies that are partnered in NNRC are vetted heavily by NNRC. We go through an entire process where each firm is questioned and they pick the best of the best. We are the gold member in Washington State. Each state has a gold member. California actually, I think, has 3 simply because it's such a large state, but there's in Canada and abroad. So when you call us to handle a deposition in another state, we call our partners in the NNRC, and you can feel safe that you are getting the best because these people have gone through the ringer and they are the best that you're going to find.
Advantages of being a gold member of the NNRC network is that you have partners across the country that you can call at any moment to have a deposition, video conference, video deposition, real-time reporting. You have the best of the best across the country. You get the advantages of having the top quality reporters who can do hookups for 1 to 10 to 20 attorneys real time at any time, with the top-notch reporters, videographers, and staff to support your every need. The court reporters enjoy working for us because we are an open and honest firm and we treat everyone like a family member. It's been a group of people who've worked in the industry for 20, 30 years. As an owner, I will guarantee that all your expectations will be met by our support staff and staff any given moment, and we look forward to working with you as a family as well.